Hey everyone, and welcome to my guide on jailbreaking your PSP console. The method I'll be showing you today works on any PSP console running the 6.61 firmware. You can easily check your firmware version in the system settings, and I'll also show you how to set up your console to enable custom themes effortlessly. So what does jailbreaking your PSP actually mean? Jailbreaking your PSP unlocks its full potential. This allows you to back up your physical games directly onto the memory card, run old school emulators, play PS1 games smoothly, enable custom themes and menus, run third-party apps and games known as homebrew, and so much more. My name is Robles Jr. and I'm passionate about the PSP homebrew community as well as the PS Vitas. If you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing for more guides and updates. Don't forget to enable notifications so you don't miss out on anything. Before we dive into the guide, I want to give a big shout out to Reddragon for sending me this awesome speaker. This is the Surge GS817. This compact powerhouse isn't just about the looks. Though the customizable RGB lighting is absolutely stunning, it's about delivering crisp, clear sound for all of your gaming, music, and movie needs. With dual full range drivers and an easy plug-and-play setup, the Surge is perfect for the PC or console gamers who want immersive audio without breaking the bank. And did I mention that it has touch controls, adjust volume, change lighting modes, or even mute the speaker, all with a simple tap. Upgrade your desk with the Reddragon Surge GS817. The link will be in the description down below. This guide will be quick and easy, designed to help you get custom firmware up and running right away. I'll also explain the method and its benefits. So the custom firmware we're going to be using is called ARC4. This custom firmware is a modern, improved solution for the PSP. As the successor to Pro and ME firmwares, ARC offers unique features not found elsewhere while retaining the best from its predecessors. It's simple to use and keeps the PSP experience fresh and exciting. Here is what you'll need. A memory card. I recommend a 128GB SanDisk microSD card with a microSD adapter. If you're waiting for a new card, any PSP memory card with at least 50 megabytes of free space will work temporarily. You'll need connection to a PC, so you'll need either a USB mini cable or a micro SD card USB reader. Once you have everything ready, we're going to prepare your memory card. Insert your SD card into the adapter and insert it into your PSP. Go to the system settings and format the card. If you see an error or corrupt or any other message, try formatting it on your PC first. If the issue persists, you may need a new card. Next, we're going to download some files. First, we're going to download the ARC4 files from the link provided in the pinned comment, along with the CXMB file to set up the custom themes. The third link will provide you some awesome custom themes that you can download, so download as many as you want. Extract both the ARC and CXMB zip files to an easily accessible location on your PC. Now let's connect your PSP to your PC via USB. The root of your PSP should appear. If not, manually open it under My Computer and select the USB storage device. Next, we're going to copy our files. From the ARC4 folder, copy the ARC_01234 folder to the PSP Save Data folder. Copy the ARC_loader folder to the PSP Game folder. And finally, copy the CIPL folder to the PSP game folder as well. This makes the custom firmware permanent, so you won't have to run the exploit every time you restart. Now we're going to go back to the root of our PSP and create a new folder called SE Plugins. Copy the CXMB folder here. And now you can copy your downloaded custom themes into the PSP theme folder. Moving on to installing the custom firmware on your PSP. Disconnect your PSP and navigate to the Games menu. You'll see a new app named Arc Loader. Launch Arc Loader to install the custom firmware. The PSP will soft restart upon completion and return to the XMB. Let's verify the installation by going to Settings, System Settings, and under System Information. The firmware should say ARC and the number version and live at the end. Now let's make this custom firmware permanent. Go back to the game menu and launch the CIPL flasher. Press X to install. The installation will complete and the console will restart. Your custom firmware is now permanent. Now let's set up your custom themes. Navigate to the Extras menu and select Custom Launcher, or find it in the game menu if unavailable. In the Customs Launcher, press triangle and select Files. Navigate to the SE Plugins folder and press X. Install the CXMB plugin to VSH to affect the XMB main menu. Save the configuration under the plugins.txt file in SE Plugins folder. To enable the plugin, press triangle, go to the Plugins tab, and enable the CXMB plugin. You can now close out of Custom Launcher and restart your console. Go to the settings and under themes, choose a custom theme. You can now enjoy your personalized XMB. That's it for this guide. Your PSP is now jailbroken with custom themes enabled. I'll be creating more content about the PSP in the next coming days, so make sure to subscribe for updates on guides, news, and more homebrew content. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any issues or feedback, let me know in the comment section down below. Take care, and I'll see you guys on the next one.